Damien from Defender 90 Orkney. Today I'm going to be installing some Rok 9 surface mounted LED lights from Lightforce. I'm going to use them as a underside of my car rock lights, so for night drives and stuff like that, putting them in. They're IP67 waterproof. They come in a 5000K LED colour and 9 watt wattage. So I'm going to install them now and take you through the process. Okay, so getting towards the end of the install. I've run all the wires underneath. I'll probably just have to put some conduit on all that. We've got the wiring to the battery. We just have to run a fuse to the switch. Peter's giving me a hand with his wiring up. There's one light. Obviously got to tuck all the wiring away. There's another. The other. And the last one there. So yeah, Peter will finish up wiring the switch, and I guess I'll start tucking away all the wiring and putting conduit on it. Okay, so we are all done, installed. The switches are in, the lights are in, it's all wired up, fuse done. So yeah, I'll just show you how it's gone. Basically, there's one. All the wires are in conduit now. Run down through there. The other one up front. Basically got the same deal on the back, on the other side, sorry. Got the switch in. So yeah, here they are. Not going to see much during the day, but there they're on. So now, time to test them at night.